got some Fenty. I'm so late to the party, but y'all, I'm still excited. I think she came out last year with her Fenty Beauty or 2 years ago. I'm not sure, I could be so off. But anyway, I know I'm late to trying the products, getting them, all of that stuff, but I'm excited. What's up? Welcome back to my channel for another video. And so I'm just gonna get right into it. I purchased some makeup online. I have not really worn it yet. I just kind of been playing in it, and I'm getting ready to go to a all white boat party. So I don't think I'm gonna wear no makeup though, honestly. But so I got FILT'R foundation, I got the FILT'R concealer, I got Diamond Bomb Baby. That's like the shimmer. Now I've been wearing that, baby. That is the bomb too. I have, it says Little Match Sticks Duo, FILT'R Mini Setting Powder, and Mini Full Frontal Volume Lift Mascara. And is that it? Yep. Okay, and so my total came to $121.34. I got any makeup beginners out there? Comment down below. Let me know, do y'all have any Fenty Beauty products, and how do you wear them? Like, how do you use them? What you wear it with? What you pair it with? All of that good stuff. Now let's get into the packaging. So from the outside, it does just look like a regular box. It was shipped UPS ground, and so it does look just like a regular box, but of course her Fenty Beauty logo is in the inside, and the bottom of the box is black. And the items were packaged in here with this heavy duty bubble wrap, so that was really cute. And this black tissue paper was just covering it. So this first one, this is the Diamond Bomb Baby. I have definitely used this. This gives me such good shimmer. So this is like a duo, a kit. It comes with the little mini lip gloss. And woo, y'all, let me tell you about this. Look at that. It is so, let's see. Yes, oh, and it's so soft and smooth. I've never put it on my finger. I've just been using it with my brush. It's so soft. But when I put it on, look at that. I don't know if it's gonna pick up on the camera, but when I put it on me, oh baby, I be glistening. But yes, this, I love this. I love it, love it, love it. I will definitely buy some more of that. And the lip gloss is super cute. It's a mini, so the stick is real small, but it's really, really thick. I do like that. And it smells good. Yeah. It's cute. That. So I got the concealer. And honestly, I don't even know if this is my color. I really don't. The same thing with the foundation. The color I got was 330, and I haven't even used it yet. I'm scared. As you can see, I got a tan, so that's really one of the main reasons why I don't wear makeup in the summer, because I get really, really tan, and it's like, girl, that is not your color right now. I'll just do it right this. Yeah, see, this is like, that don't really look, I don't know. That's what the concealer is looking like. Whatever. So moving along, might as well go right into the foundation. This look like, it looks just like the packaging in the inside of the package box. And I got the same color. I got 330. And this is 1.8 ounces. So Fenty Beauty. And woo, yeah, I don't know. I mean, yeah. I don't know. And like I said, I'm not putting on no makeup today. I'm hot. I be sweaty when I put makeup on, so I'm not gonna worry about it. But I am gonna do some eyeliner and do my eyebrows, and that's it, y'all. That's it. So, super cute. I just love the packaging too. I love this, the silver, the chicness of it. It's really cute. So, and this one came with a little brush. I mean, a little powder brush. But yeah, so this is just like setting powder. If you need to touch up. So this will be something that you keep in your purse. And then these two little babies, I have never used these. I don't know what to do with them, but I just got them. I thought they would be cute. Little Match Sticks Duo. That's what these are called. And Mini Shimmer Skin Stick Set. So I guess it's like the other one I got that I put right here, but this is a stick. Cause that's what the other one said. Oh, see, okay, so highlight, bronze, and enhance longwear. Okay, so this is the highlight and bronzer. That's what, okay. The colors I have is Cinnamon and Starstruck. And this one right, this is my favorite one. This is my favorite. So, this is some mascara. Let me tell y'all, this right here is so good. I love this mascara. This is full frontal mascara, and it's in black. So it have like the brush. It's got like the fluffy side, and then it got a skinny side. So it's super good. And I've been using this. I've used this a couple of times. So I'm just going to do my eyebrows and, you know, do my eyeliner. That's really it. I'm not putting on no makeup because I don't want to. I don't want to. And I'm trying to hurry up too so I can be on time. What time is it? Okay, yeah. I got some time. I am definitely the type of person that I'm always pressed for time. But I'm working on it. I am really working on it. But I be having a lot of stuff though just to do, like, and time be going so fast. And I also, y'all, I do not leave the house without my eyebrows being done. If I don't have on not a lick of any kind of other makeup, my eyebrows will be done. Cause I just feel like if your eyebrows are done, it makes a big difference. It kind of like just finishes off your face. And I am using a beauty supply store pencil. This is by NK Makeup. It's an eyebrow duo. Yeah. I really hope that's good enough because my little mirror is not the best. It's so far away. I feel like when I be doing my eyebrows, I be having to be super close. I just want to kind of talk about, just a little bit, touch on this COVID topic. How do y'all feel about all of the other countries shutting us out? Like, man, it's so many countries that have banned U.S. citizens. Personally, I don't blame them. I feel like if that's, you know what I'm saying, if that's going to keep the rise down, do it. But on the other hand, it's like a lot of these places are places that I planned on visiting. So that sucks. So, you know, that sucks. But I just feel like, dang, you know, some of these countries are places that was definitely on my list to visit. And now I don't think they're gonna open back up. I don't know. I should use I wonder if I should try this concealer. Let's see, how much of a difference? So this is my MAC concealer, and in MAC my color is NC42. It's not that much of a difference. Let's see, I'll try this. And I just use it under my under eye. It's a little brighter, just a little. I think too, because I don't have on no makeup, it's gonna be so bright. I don't have on any foundation. It's gonna be brighter, but I can blend it out good. That'll be fine. How many of y'all are medical workers that's, man, in this front line? And like myself, I am a CNA, so I have worked since the pandemic. I've only done a contract assignment. I have not done any regular shifts. Okay, that's not bad. So pretty much like with all of the countries closing down to U.S. citizens, I have read that essential workers, of course, are allowed to travel. The way that this is going, and honestly, one of my biggest plans was to, so I want to be a travel nurse. And even right now as a CNA, I can do travel CNA. So I planned on within the next 2 years, I wanted to homeschool my kids and just do travel. So I was going to take on different work assignments and bring my family along with me. I said this last year. I said that this was one of my goals that I wrote down, and I said in 2 years, that's what I want to do. So that would have been like 2021, going into 2022. Look at where we are. Like, this is pretty much the opportunity that I have to do. Hey, I spoke it, you know, that's what I said I wanted to do. So I am getting prepared to do that, but it's just kind of a little harder because I wanted to be almost done with school to do that. I didn't really want to do it as a CNA. I wanted to be a nurse already. I feel like this whole pandemic has definitely brought on some valuable life lessons. Seriously. One, appreciate the small things in life. Appreciate the things that you have. You know, we get so caught up in what we want and what we don't have. Like working so hard for bigger things. You know, like working so hard for bigger, for more, instead of just sitting down, taking time out to reflect and appreciate on what you already have. Because what we already have is so much, and it's so valuable, but we forget what we went through to get that. I got one goal, I accomplished something, now I want more, now I want bigger. I'm not even taking enough time out to appreciate what I already have, what I already worked for and accomplished. So I feel like this pandemic has definitely brought on that out of me. Like, okay, just sit down and just appreciate what you got. We can be here today and gone tomorrow. Don't hold grudges. Life is too short. Live every day like it's your last. Live every day to the fullest, and don't hold grudges. If you have a relationship that, you know, may have you fell out over something petty, something small, something that I feel like you think is worth, don't let your pride get in the way of something great. And don't let your pride stop you from being a great person also. Now, some relationships are not meant to be fixed, and that's okay too. Just walk away. You don't, and you know, somebody said something to me today that will stick with me. It was just a great conversation I had, and she said, like, everybody, you know, sometimes it's okay to walk away from people without having war. Like, you know, everybody is not meant for you, and it's okay to just walk away from them. Just release yourself from them without having causing a war. And I was like, wow, that's that right there. Those 3 things to take away from this pandemic: just take time, appreciate what you have, and don't hold grudges. All I'm getting today, this is it. This is all this face is doing. Oh, I'm gonna put on my little shimmer. And I gotta do fix this wig. And I'm ready to go out the door, guys. I am ready to go out the door, and I should be on time. Okay, yes, peace, y'all. Hope this was good. Hope this was a good conversation. Let me know if y'all got any of these products that I got. And yeah, until then, I will see y'all. Y'all already know what to do. Until my next video, stay beautiful. Peace. Who asking outside? Cause I'm too